this. So what we do normally in a data entry form, we manually type like this, and which is pretty difficult, right? See, yeah, like this. And second one, say 234, and yeah. So instead of this, what we can do is do like this, and let's create a table-based form wherein it will automatically insert your data. So for that, press Alt D O. You'll be seeing an error like this. Say OK, and now start typing your details. Employee ID say 123. The name is Imran. Enter male, position AVP, right? Then uh, to enter this over here, you need to press tab and enter. Then again, next one is 234. Say learn male and position say general manager. Hit enter. Next thing is say Rina. Say 567536. Rina email and position is say vice president new. This way you can insert number of fields. Hope this will be helpful for you. Thank you so much.